been on a boat ride that felt more like a roller coaster of chaos than a smooth sail across the water? Well, get ready to laugh out loud with this funny collection of idiots in boats. From boats crashing into docks to captains making crazy mistakes, these clips show just how wrong things can go on the water. The 8th and 17th video is so wild you won't believe it. Get ready for some boating fun gone completely wrong. Don't forget to subscribe to this channel if you're new, and turn on the notification bell so that you will be among the first set of people to see our future videos. On this sunny day at the dock, things took a wild twist when a boat decided it was auditioning for a parking spot. Meanwhile, an elderly lady was blissfully unaware, probably thinking she was at a tea party. And, hold on to your life jackets, this boat's parking skills were so bad it practically sent the dock into retirement. Do they have a map that leads straight to the rocks? This boat is on a collision course with disaster, and it's not even slowing down for a pit stop. This flying boat just took off from the docks, but the pilot must have skipped navigation class because it crashed into the bridge. The impact sent it zooming backward like a confused fish out of water, soaring right over the docks like it was auditioning for a role in a superhero movie. Even with the whistle blowing like a hyperactive goose, this boat just kept cruising until it collided with another near the port. This has to be the most chaotic docking attempt in history. The boat crashes into the port in a zigzag manner, getting things scattered and people having their time at the port sprinting for safety.
Alright, somebody needs to get this fucking idiot off the boat.
What were these crazy people thinking when they stuffed a speedboat into a pool bag? They must have been really out of it. Suddenly, they launch that boat out of the bag like it's a cannonball, and it smashes into the wall like something from a funny movie. This race is so intense that the waves seem to knock the other boat off track and sending it soaring like a confused seagull. A hilarious scene unfolded as a group of partygoers on a crowded boat got a surprise splash when their overloaded vessel took an unexpected dive into the muddy water. With around 20 party enthusiasts suddenly getting soaked, it was obvious that the boat was struggling with too many people on board. The little boat tried its best to stay afloat in the cold water, but the onlookers knew they were about to see a funny disaster that would have everyone laughing. This couple was so caught up in their public display of affection that they weren't aware that their boat is out of balance. 1 second, they were having the time of their lives, and the next, they were under the water, and their sweet moment turned into a hilarious scene, making everyone watching burst out laughing. These guys seem to be goofing around, completely overlooking the serious danger of drowning. One moment they're jumping around like excited dolphins, and the next, they're submerged. Anyway, they seem to be having the time of their lives in the water.
That is so bad. That is so bad.
He seems to be enjoying the ride, not expecting the sudden halt. Unfortunately, he found himself out of the boat and in the water. The speedboat captain seemed completely absorbed in his own James Bond fantasy, oblivious to the fact that he was about to take on a new role as a roadster. Rather than sailing through the water, he found himself racing down the tarred road like it was part of the newest water park ride. During the Super Yacht Challenge Antigua, two boats ended up bumping into each other. It might sound funny, but sadly, some crew members are likely to end up doing orthopedic surgery. The floating car luxurious boat.
Oh, fucking idiot.
And this boat happened to dock at the right spot effortlessly. Boat collapses during race. We hope the crew members are safe. The captain looked a bit confused, like he had forgotten all about the tides. He was rubbing his head, wondering if the bridge had gotten smaller or if the boat had magically grown taller. But either ways, he had to look for another route. When you combine a speedboat with someone who believes he's just enjoying a calm paddleboat trip, chaos ensues.
Oh, shit.
Wondering if jumping on that fast boat was truly the smartest choice ever. The waves left by the speedboat seemed to knock the other off course, sending it straight into the woods. Who's more important, the fish or the crew? But it seemed the fish seemed to come first in the order of importance.
Oh shit! Oh fuck! Oh no! Oh no! Oh fuck! Oh shit! Ah! Look at the sunset though. Oh yeah!
Did the other captain have a drink mixed with confusion or something?
Man.
How did he manage not to enter the boat right in front of him, but instead enter the water?
Уебаковый сошел. Бля.
Снимаешь?
Да.
Which of these clips got you? We hope that you found this video soothing. There's nothing wrong with having fun once in a while. While at it, give this video a thumbs up. And watch out for more entertaining videos if you have turned on the notification bell. See you in our next video.